Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I am going to show you how you can convert your boot drive from MBR partition to GPT style partition for free without any third-party software. So, how are we going to do that? First of all, we need to make sure that it is in MBR partition. So, I'm gonna go into my disk management and right-click on the disk. And in volumes tab, you can see my partition style is MBR. This is the disk 0, which is the main disk in my operating system is installed on. So the second disk is for storage. So first of all, we need to copy this command. The disk number is the disk that you want to convert, so you can change that however you want, but in my case this is disk 0, so I am copying this command as it is and I'm gonna type in cmd and run it as administrator. It is gonna ask you for permission, so we're gonna say yes and right click on it to paste the command. Enter. Now it says yep, I am now able to convert MBR to GPT, so I'm gonna copy the second command and paste it here. I'm gonna hit enter and it will start converting the MBR partition to GPT partition, so I can be able to make more than 4 partitions on my boot drive without any tension or problems. So now it is now converted. Now all we have to do is convert the boot to UEFI boot, from legacy to UEFI. How are we going to do that, you might ask? So how we are going to close everything, go into the BIOS of your laptop by restarting your laptop or PC. In my case, I have a Dell laptop. I'm gonna hit restart. This is going to take some time because my laptop is very slow, and I am going to press the F2 key simultaneously until I get into the BIOS setup. Your laptop might be different or your PC might be different. You can check it on your internet connection. So while it goes into BIOS, now all we have to do is find the boot list options. Now you can see I found it. Now I'm gonna change it from legacy to UEFI. Now you can see my UEFI Intel SSD is now showing up, which means I can boot from it. So I'm gonna select the UEFI and gonna hit apply. Now it is applied, and I'm gonna exit it and wait for my laptop to restart. This is going to take some time. Yep. Yeah, I know first boot is always slow. That is why I'm cutting the clips so I don't waste much of your time. Now we wait for it to boot up. It is booting up and it is taking some time. Well, it takes some time. You should hit the subscribe button so I can get to the 1000 mark and be able to monetize my channel. And I will also make a video on it. Okay, now let's get into the screen recording because that's the better quality. Okay, now we're in the screen recording options. Now let's check if the conversion was completed or not. So we're gonna go into the disk management, right click on the drive, hit properties. In the volume section, you can see we have successfully converted MBR to GPT without any data loss, and I have still my operating system on it. But here is something else. I have another partition and now it is showing up in my this PC, but if it was not there before but we want to change it, so we're gonna go to disk management again. If you don't want it, right click on the partition, change letter and remove that letter, hit OK, and now this will no longer show up in your my computer or this PC, depends on whatever you want to call it. Now this is no longer here and the problem is solved. The second drive is my storage drive, which I'm gonna put some things on it. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.